Here's my answer to question 1 on the quiz from last Thursday, June 25th. We are trying to find the area under the surface x squared plus y squared over the line segment from 1, 1 to 3, 4. And here's the formula that we want to use right down here. First we have to parameterize C to get R so we can find R prime so that we can find the magnitude of R prime and put that here. So we're going from the point 1, 1 to 3, 4. So we usually start by putting the coordinates of the starting point as our constants, so 1, 1. And then we add to that the change in x, so that'd be from 1 to 3. So that'd be 2 multiplied by t. And then for y, we're changing from 1 to 4. So that'd be a change of 3, so 1 plus 3t. And then we let t range from 0 to 1. So that's going to be our a and b values later. Now we have to find r prime of t, which will be the derivative of x, which will be 2, and the derivative of y, which will be 3. And then find the magnitude, so it's a constant velocity, and the speed, or the magnitude of the velocity, will be the square root of 2 squared plus 3 squared, which is 13 under the radical sign, I should say. So the square root of 13. So this here is going to be the square root of 13. And here we take x and y and replace them in f. This is f in this problem. The surface is named f. So we take our parameterization of x and place it into f where there's an x, and then take our parameterization of y and put it into f where there's a y. So this integral will equal 0 to 1. F is x squared plus y squared, so we will square 1 plus 2t and 1 plus 3t and add them together. Once again, this is x of t squared plus y of t squared, which is what the formula for the surface tells us to do. And then we multiply that by the square root of 13, which I can factor out in front, and find the integral with respect to time. If you do a little bit of algebraic simplification, this simplifies to the integral from 0 to 1 of, let's see, it's 2 plus 10t plus 13t squared. And I'll assume you can take it from here and do the necessary simplification to get the final answer, which is 34 square roots of 13 over 3. And that's the final answer. This is the area underneath the surface x squared plus y squared above the line segment 1, 1 to 3, 4. We call that a curtain. So we found the area of a curtain.